Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Blessing here. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to make spring twist wig. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe now. So what we have here, we have our wig cap, where you're dumbing the wig cap, like the way you're seeing it right now, guys, and secure the cap with pin. And we have our Freetress braid here, 20 inches, guys. One thing I love about this hair, the texture was so good, and you can use it for any choice of your hairstyle. Something like cakey twist, butterfly loss, and updo. Yes. So here we go for the crochet, guys. Yes, by doing the crochet, guys, you just have to see and focus the way I am doing it. What I do here, I just crochet it and then make sure that I tie it like so. And I am going to be using two methods here, guys, for the twisting. So when you be twisting the hair, make sure you twist it to the right hand but not the left hand, because the look I want in this hair is different. Okay, so I am twisting this hair in a right hand, not the left hand. Okay guys, so keep on watching, guys. I'm sorry guys, one thing I forget to tell you guys, I will be leaving the link of the products that I use on the description box, in case if you are interested of any of these products. You can go in there and press the link, and the link will take you direct to a place I order the product. Okay, thank you very much. So the other method I use here, I just form of like I am threading it the way you're seeing it right now. You see, after threading it like 2 to 3 times, then I tie it like so before I now do the twisty to my right hand, guys. Yes, I hope you can see the way I'm doing the twisting. That is why I said I'm going to be using two methods. My first method was to tie it. Yes, the second method was to thread it as if I'm threading my hair. Yes, you can see it, guys. So that is why, guys, you have to just make sure that you watch this video to the end, because when you watch this video to the end, that will make you know how to achieve your goal in case if you want to do for yourself. Yes, so before then I just underline the wig, make sure that I use my foundation and the concealer to underline the net. You understand, guys? So keep on watching, guys. So the next thing that I will be doing here, guys, I will be sewing this net, this net, there to just to achieve my closure. Yes, so just pin it down like so. Then after that, bring out the scissors to just cut the excess place. Then from there you will have to bring out your thread and needle just to sew this net down like so. So guys, please, if you enjoyed watching this video guys, don't forget to share this video to your loved ones, like, and make sure as you watch, subscribe now so that you will be notified at any time I upload new videos. Okay guys, thank you very much for doing that for me guys. So here we go for the sewing. We'll be doing the sewing step by step, okay, just to achieve our closure. Okay guys, guys, you will have to cut the inside lace out of the wig, okay, just for you to achieve your closure and for the closure to become natural guys. Okay, so please, when you are cutting it, you have to cut it gently, because if you don't do it gently, you may mistakenly spoil the whole work, so please, I beg you for that guys. Yeah, what we have here, we have our ventilating needle guys. So here we go for the ventilate. So when you want to do your ventilation, you have to just dip the pin under the hole of the net and you use it to collect just 2 strands of hair. Okay, after that, then you will now cross it over the way you are seeing it right now and pull it out. Okay guys, so that is how we'll be ventilating the hair step by step. So just pick 2 strands of hair as you can see right now and cross it over and pull it out. This is the result guys. So the next thing that we have to do here, please, you have to start holding it with our rubber band. Yes, I'm sorry guys, I forget to show you guys a rubber band here. So we'll be using our rubber band to hold it step by step. and this is the result, guys. I hope you can see it. Yeah, so after this step we have to bring out our crochet needle and crochet it like the way you are crocheting your hair. Just paste it under the hair and crochet it, yeah, just like that. Yes, okay guys, because I don't want to say something wrong. So that is it, guys. Be doing it like that, step by step, until you will not achieve what you want. Yes, guys. I know that I have never shown you guys this method from the beginning, but as you can see it with your eyes now, you can see the way I am doing this method, which is for the tip. I'm just using it to just round the twist the hair, round it. I don't know how I'm going to say it, I'm sorry guys, just for the hair not to be unravel. Yes, so that is why I'm using that method for the tip, guys. Okay. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, guys. I believe, yes and yes, I believe you enjoy the way I am achieving this. Please subscribe now, like and share, and press the notification bell, guys, so that you will be notified at any time I upload a new video. Okay, guys. Yeah. So guys, this is the last but not the least. Okay guys, so I believe you guys enjoy watching this video. Did you want to motivate me to be posting you guys a new update of new hairstyle every week or every time? Please guys, if you really want to motivate me and you really enjoy watching this video and you like my channel so much, please guys, do me a favor to share my video to your loved ones and your families, and like this video, subscribe to this channel, press the notification bell guys, in case of each time I upload a new video you shall be notified at any time. You don't know when I will post a video of your niche, or you don't know when I will post a video of that thing that you have been try to solve for so many years. So please guys, for that, make sure you subscribe to this channel, make sure you press the notification bell. In case of each time I upload any of my video, you shall be the first person to be notified guys. Yes, thank you guys for doing that for me. So the next step now guys to take is just to wear our wig cap. We are ready to enjoy our wig cap. Yes, this is the final look of my wig cap guys. You can see it on my head, you can see it on my skull. Do you enjoy watching this video? I believe you like and you enjoy watching this video. Yeah, so make sure you leave your comment in the comment section, and did you like what you see? So yeah guys, this is the finishing of this hair guys. Please, if you enjoy watching this video guys, I will continue to be singing it as a song on your ear guys. Please don't fail to subscribe to this channel guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.